Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE issues 3 language policy guidelines for 2026 to 27. Current class 10 students exempt from new rules. Current batches of classes 7 to 9 will not face board exam in the third language when they reach class 10. Students already studying to foreign languages can continue with them by adding one Bhartiya Bhasha. CBSE assures grade-appropriate learning resources, flexible teacher support and that no student will be disadvantaged during the NEP 2020 transition. For more details refer to the official CBSE circular. The dispute over Class 12 student Vedant Srivastav's revised physics marks continues, with CBSE claiming his score increased by 11 marks after re-evaluation, while the student maintains that only 2 marks were added through re-evaluation and the remaining 9 were restored after correction of an earlier answer sheet mix-up. UP government issues Teachers Guideline 2026, directing schools to implement heatwave safety measures through school heat action plans, awareness programs, first aid preparedness and restricted outdoor activities during heatwave alerts. Schools are also asked to ensure safe drinking water, ORS availability, proper ventilation and regular monitoring of IMD heatwave warnings to protect students. IIT Bombay announces its first overseas subcampus in the United States in collaboration with State University of New York at Old Westbury. The campus is set to launch certificate courses in artificial intelligence, sustainability and clean technology from 2027, with plans to introduce full-fledged degree programs for students from India and around the world. Delhi government gives coaching centers 1 month to comply with mandatory safety norms, warning that non-compliant institutes will face closure. The government also announces plans to introduce a new regulatory law and urges students to report safety violations through email, phone or messages. Karnataka School Management Association opposes CBSE's new 3-language policy, saying it conflicts with the state's Kannada language law. The association has sought clarification from CBSE and requested that the policy's implementation be deferred for the upcoming academic year. The Odisha government orders an inquiry after lyrics of the Bollywood song Nimbuda Nimbuda are mistakenly printed in Class 5 English textbook instead of the intended lesson. The error triggers widespread criticism over editorial oversight and quality control in school textbook publication. NCERT clarifies that the preamble to the Constitution has not been removed from the revised Class 9 social science curriculum. Instead, constitutional values and related topics have been redistributed across different grades under the National Curriculum Framework as part of a curriculum reorganization. Jharkhand student and CBSE whistleblower Sarthak Siddhant launches a public portal containing more than 16.6 crore government procurement records to promote transparency and public oversight. The platform allows citizens, journalists and researchers to search and download tender data from the Central Public Procurement Portal through simplified interface. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.